You're not supposed to be out here.
Who are you?
Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm Sabine. We met. I'm one of Sophie's friends.
You're one of the witches.
Sophie just asked me to come keep you company while everyone's out. You know, it's drawn to you. The child you're carrying is part vampire, part werewolf. You and Klaus made something special.
You sound like Elijah. He thinks this baby is going to make us one big happy family, but now he's gone, and I don't even know what it is.
You know, I can do something about that if you want. I mean, find out if it's a boy or girl.
I thought you couldn't do witchy stuff around here.
It's not magic, just an old trick my grandmother taught me. Come on. You have to be a little curious.